Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Timid Trader. Today, as you would have already seen on the thumbnail, we will be discussing on top 10 companies for investing on a short-term period. When I say short-term period, any time between 3 months to 6 months, we can see a minimum of 10 to 15% of profit on the investments that we do. Okay. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered trader, and kindly I advise you that before taking any financial decisions, please consult your financial advisors. And I would not be responsible for your profits and losses based on the discussions that we'll be doing in this video. Okay. The intention is to give you a basic understanding and an education on how to shortlist the stocks. And I will also show you one of my scanners that I have put into my um, trading platform, wherein with that I can actually filter out some of the stocks which can move on the upward direction in next minimum 3 months, max 6 months for around 15 to 20% growth. Okay, so I'll just brief you. See, basically, what happens is any stock that goes on the upside. So these generally what people do is they try to chase this market, and eventually, when there is a complete overbought situation, the market drops, and the always retailers things, whenever I buy a stock, why it always drops down is because you would ideally be looking or filtering such stocks which have already moved to a greater extent, and then you enter somewhere here and the stocks starts to move down because there will be a lot of profit bookings that will be happening. So in this video what we will be doing is we will see some of the stocks which have already done some kind of a downward movement, and then we have made one custom made scanner for which we basically call it as a buy zone. Okay. So at this zone, if a price comes into this zone, generally this will be a buying zone wherein the market will take support and again go back, ideally to the same position where it came from, or at least to these levels. Okay, so this movement is what I'm talking about, 10 to 15% movement within a short period. Okay, so let's quickly deep dive into this without me wasting any further time. Let's get on to the stocks that we are talking about today. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so I was talking about the scanner. So this is what we were talking about as a buy zone. Okay, so the first stock that I'm talking about is Cipla. So this is a 1 hour chart. Okay, and so now you have seen the market has actually made kind of a correction. Now the market is expected to break out these trend line. Okay, and then it is expected to reach at least 1650 or so. Okay, so it is a very short term momentum that we can see, and we can make profits from this zone. The first stock is Cipla. Then let us look at the second stock is Bajaj Finserv or Bajaj Finance. This has also come to the buy zone now, so we can definitely look for opportunities to buy this. So if you look into the trend line, this is also above to make a breakout. So once you see a breakout at 6,900 above, you can get into this, and you can easily look for somewhere around 7,500 or so minimum. Okay, so this is the movement that we can expect in the short term. The next stock that I'm talking about is Dabur India. Even that stock has also come to our buy zone. So now if I put up a very small trend line, this is also is trying to give a breakout, and from here you can easily expect somewhere close to 640 price. Okay, so you can check for investing into this stock. The next one is Titan. Titan has also come to our buying zone. Now, if I put up a very quick trend line to this, pardon me for the rough thing. Let me put a proper one so that you guys get. Okay. So, anytime you see a breakout from this, from here, so you can enter here at 3,400 something, and then you can easily expect the price to reach around 3,750 or so. Okay, I hope you are getting it. The next stock is Reliance. Reliance has also come to its buying zone levels, and with this zone, we can again, let me put up a very quick trend line for you. I think it's already given a kind of, maybe we should put a trend line somewhere here. It's already given a breakout. So with this, we can surely expect the stock to move at least to fill this gap. There's a gap here. So the market can fill up this gap, and then you can see somewhere near 2,950 or 3,000 rupees in a very short term period. Okay. The next stock, if we talk about, I think the next stock is Sri Cement. That has also reached to our buying zone. And let me try to put up a quick trend line to this. So this has also given a breakout. So we can again expect from 24,250, it can at least go to 26,000. And all these stocks I'm talking about is expected to move upward in the short term. Okay. Again, just a disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered, so kindly consult your financial advisors before taking or investing in any of these stocks. This is purely for the educational purpose. Kindly do your own research before making any investments. Okay. The next stock we are looking at is the ACC Cement. Even that has come to the buying zone. Putting up a short trend line over here, quick trend line. I think this has also given a clear breakout, and we can expect the market to reach to 2,500 levels or so. Okay. And then let's go to the next one. The next one is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement is also into the buying zone. And if I put up a trend line here, I think this is yet to give a breakout, but keep a watch, very close watch on the Ambuja Cement. Whenever you see a breakout from this trend line, definitely we can expect the market to be around 620, 625 within a short period. Okay. Then let's look into the other stock. It is Tata Communication. Tata Communication. Let's put up a trend line. This we put. It is above to make a very quick breakout from here. So if you enter somewhere here, once you have a breakout, I think this is very easily going to touch 2,120. Okay. Then the other stock that we can look, the last and the final one, the 10th stock is Tata Consumer. Even this has come to our buying zone. So if I put up a trend line to this, maybe this could be the trend line over here. Maybe slightly coming this way. So this is also above to give you a kind of a breakout here. So once you have a breakout, I think the market is expected to touch 1,200 levels. Okay. So I hope this video might be a useful one. These are the top 10 companies which can see a momentum on the upward direction in the short term period, meaning sometime between 3 months to 6 months period. Okay. Kindly put up your comments if you want to learn more about this buy zones that we are talking about. What is this and how to put it onto your chart? If you want some kind of a training you can always email me. I'll put up my email ID into the description of the channel and also of the video. You can email me and then I can approach you back for some kind of a training. Please note, I'm not a full-time trader. I'm a part-time trader and aspiring to look forward for becoming a full-time trader. But currently, I do both investing as well as intraday trading and also positional trading. So I've been doing this past 5 years. Yep. So any queries or anything that you want to learn from me, feel free to comment and kindly subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing out with more and more indicators and more insight and knowledgeful videos, which will definitely enable you to study the market by your own, and you can also very soon start making money from this market. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for your patience for watching this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to it, and so that whenever I make a new video like this, this will notify to you. Yeah, thank you so much.